Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment to this video with what do you like to see in Calador or around of Mallorca or Balearic Island, and of course don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, like this you are knowing when I'm posting a new video. And today we are in Calador market. Today they moved the market from the main street on this little square, because on the other side there is a exposition with nice cars actually. And like this is looking the market. It's a little market for the moment because it's not full summer. In the summer I think it's looking a little bit bigger, or depend of how many people with selling stuff they are coming. I don't know exactly how it's working. In Calador is little one, but you have another big market in Santani. I don't know exactly the day for the Santani one, but this one is every Sunday night. It's starting I think like 5 in the afternoon till late in the night. You have a lot of local stuff to buy. I think most of them they are locals, and they are selling handmade stuff and a lot of things. Let's look a little bit around. I put over voice on this video because it's a lot of music from the events with the cars, and like this we don't get a strike. Let's go also in the other side. I will make also a calador tour. Let's go to see a little bit how is looking the cars, because some of them I make already around, and some of them they are super cool. Example, I like this red one. I don't know if it's a car or where is going, car moto, because it's two with 3 wheels. Also we have here also a nice Audi. Oh yeah, there are 2 of them, one black and one red. I think they are similar. I don't know which one is powerful, but for me they look the same. Let's see what else we have. Okay, this one, I see a lot of Seats, Volkswagen. They're looking cool. I see also another cars nicer, but they're not on this exposition. I think it's a local one from here, from Calador. Look at this one. Even I don't know what, a Porsche. Good. I like this Porsche. I think it's a boxer one, I'm not sure. Let's see what else. Okay, from here already is, oh, nice Mustang. This is like a retro cars. It's looking quite nice. And here is finishing the exposition, another Porsche. Cool one. Let's go back and we walk a little bit around of Calador. It's so much noise, the music was so loud. Let's go back. Let's see on which side we go, because there are so many people. The Calador is start to move a lot. It's not summer yet and already is full of tourists. Okay, now for this event most of the people they are locals from here or around of Calador. I think after a couple of days we'll be going a little bit down with the tourists, because still is cold. It's looking quite hot, but it's windy and the water is super cold. I think it's 20 degrees. Look at this one, it's super cool. Okay, let's go let's go in town to see what bars we have open. What Madison already is open. They have some nice stuff here. And here is a Sicilian pizza restaurant, like small one, is super good. Let's see if they open Lola, because a couple of days ago I see they do a big renovation. I think from the bottom they renovate everything. No, still they're renovating. But I think they'll be finishing soon. Let's see what is open and what is not open. Yeah, still Calador start to move a lot. Okay, most of the restaurants they are open. Let's see if the upstairs is open. different. Already is full of people. In the afternoon, most of the restaurants you don't have space to get a table. Most of them they are packed. Okay, here still you have some space. Okay, let's see. Upstairs, no, it's not open, but they are opening soon for sure, because it start to be a lot of moving around. Look, already here is full of people. Also, they have the little fires because in the night it's so chilly. You need a jacket. If you are coming in Cala D'or, don't forget to bring some warm clothes with you, because in the night it's super chill. Here you on the left side you have a Mexican restaurant. The food is quite nice, and they extend from last year, because last year was like a small little restaurant. Now I see it's bigger. Here you have La Papa, is an Italian restaurant, and is another one Italian next to it. I don't know the name. And here is the best burger restaurant here on the left. The burgers, they are amazing. They are quite good price. I think 14-15 euro on a hamburger. And here on the left they open also another new restaurant. I will try the food there to see how it is, and I will let you know. La Bodega, good tapas, amazing place. Here again on the left side you have good burgers. It's quiet. Oh, from here already start to be quiet. Always on this street, in most of the time there are not too many people. Everybody try to stay more in the center. Let's see if the Indian fusion restaurant open. Is an Indian restaurant. Here was also a bar, tiki something. Okay, this is not open yet, but it's a big movement around. Nice car. Let's see Calypso if it's open. The Hawaiian style bar with the two parrots outside. Already here is empty, not open yet. Okay, the fusion restaurant is open. Here is the best Indian food in Cala D'or. The portions, they are quite small, but super good and super tasty. Okay guys, this was the video for today in Cala D'or tour. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment to this video with what do you like to see in the next video, and of course don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, like this you know when I'm posting a new video. I will try to post like 2-3 times in a week, depend how much time I will have. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.